Biosyn Arzneimittel GmbH is one of Europe's first biotechnology companies. We provide an innovative and integrative cancer treatment concept through high-dose selenase and imucothel, which is extracted from keyhole limpet. IKO, an integrative concept of oncology provided by Biosyn, integrates additional treatment with biomedical drugs in oncology treatment. The integrative concept of oncology increases the effectiveness of modern medical treatment and reduces side effects. Also, cancer patients may become more compliant with treatment, resulting in fewer treatment interruptions, and high dose may increase the effectiveness of oncology treatment. The integrative concept of oncology is divided into diagnosis stage, treatment stage, adjuvant therapy, convalescent treatment, and recurrence distant metastasis stage to form an integrative oncology. The concept of integrative oncology was established at an academic conference held in Fuskel MC, Austria in February 2003, and a guideline for complementary and supportive therapy for oncology patients was established, and the guideline was published as a consensus document between German and Austrian oncology societies. A key ingredient in the concept of integrative oncology is sodium selenite, the main component of selenase. The reason why selenase is administered to cancer patients is that selenium deficiency causes various selenium deficiency diseases, including cancer. When sufficient selenium is supplied, immunity is activated through the expression of high-affinity interleukin-2 receptors. In 2015, according to the SECR study conducted at Karolinska Institute, high-dose selenium depletes glutation in cancer cells and synthesizes selenodeglutation, which produces reactive oxygen species, thereby inducing apoptosis of cancer cells. It acts as an anti-cancer agent. There's a reason that the main component of selenase is sodium selenite pentahydrate. There are inorganic and organic compounds in selenium compounds. Sodium selenite pentahydrate is specifically inserted into selenium-dependent enzymes or proteins immediately after selenium enters the body from metal salts, and is quickly excreted without accumulation in the body in case of excess. Sodium selenite directly detoxifies free radicals in an acidic environment in the body without waiting for it to be synthesized into hydrogen selenide, whereas organic selenium taken for nutritional supplementation accumulates in the body during a complex metabolic pathway and has harmful effects. In 2009, Biosyn complies with EU GMP regulations and manufactures and produces selenase as the world's first and only company that has obtained European Quality Conformity certification for internationally recognized raw material for sodium selenite, the main ingredient of pharmaceuticals with excellent bioavailability. Biosyn's exclusive patent-protected crystallization and purification technology makes it possible to produce high-quality and asepsis trace element compounds under clean room. It is supplied to 27 countries around the world in the form of injection, oral and tablet. In addition, Biosyn has established a GMP facility for raw material drug for immunocyanin, the main ingredient of imucothel, a next-generation immunotherapy found in keyhole limpets. Biosyn has obtained a patent for the manufacturing process and is supplying it to the world market as a binder for bladder cancer as well as vaccines. Immunocyanin began to be used from the 1960s to the 1970s when keyhole limpet hemocyanin was discovered as a substance that stimulates the activity of cellular immune T cells. In 1974, immunocyanin attracted attention by announcing the result that the recurrence of bladder cancer was significantly reduced in a urology journal by Olsen et al. However, it is facing the challenge of overcoming the supply and demand problem of keyhole limpet and the limitations of bladder cancer, which are not marketable compared to breast cancer and liver cancer. Biosyn Arzneimittel GmbH was able to obtain high-quality KLH that can be used as a main ingredient of pharmaceuticals through numerous studies and independent eco-friendly technology, and discover the potential to be applied to cancer and various diseases as an immunostimulant. KLH is a powerful immunostimulant, and the secret of immunogenicity by which the immune system is activated is a protein with a large molecular weight, which is due to the large number of oligosaccharides attached to its surface. The oligosaccharide on this surface is a heterogeneous peptide component with a complex structure and high heterogeneity that is not human. The human immune system recognizes KLH as an enemy very quickly and activates acquired immunity to completely eliminate and memorize the enemy. In the process of this immune response, KLH is removed, and T cells and B cells activated by KLH attack the cancer or directly attack the cancer by making antibodies. Hemocyanin, a natural protein, is completely eliminated by immune cells, so it is absorbed into the body and does not induce a harmful immune response. KLH stimulates the immune system and disappears, but activated immune cells attack the cancer. Another reason why antibodies induced by hemocyanin attack cancer is that anti-KLH antibodies produced by TF antigens attached to hemocyanin react with TF antigens, which are tumor-specific antigens, and TF antigens attached to them. This is because it recognizes and attacks cancer cells. That is the most basic mechanism of the immune system, the antigen-antibody reaction, and the cancer vaccine mechanism of Immucathel. Biosyn Germany, under the motto of Wir forschen es, researched and developed various biomedical agents ranging from disease treatment to preventive diagnosis, and has been able to use them in various ways in oncology, intensive care medicine, and cardiology from 1984 to the present. It was possible because of the two founders of Biosyn.